What's up, guys? It's Andrew here at JTAM. Getting into a new hobby, so haven't done a whole lot into it. Started to do the 3D printing. I know, crazy. Wasn't too sure at it, but a couple guys at work said it was pretty cool, so I was like, alright, let's try this out. So I went and bought the Creality Ender 3 Pro. And I got it printing something right now, so I figured I'd show you while it's printing and talk to you about a couple of the initial prints that I have made. So let's get to it. So here it is. I got it in my garage. So right now it is printing quite a large print actually. What this is we're gonna put some succulents in here and up top, and the wife's gonna put it at her desk. So overall, to put it together, super simple. Leveling the bed, super easy. I can make a video on that if you guys want. Just comment below if you need that and I'll totally make it. First print I did was this filament guide right here. I got it off of Thingiverse, and I will put that in the description to allow you to get the same exact print. Works flawlessly. I love it. The next is the cover down here. So this is usually open. I did not like that at all. Once again, got it off Thingiverse. The only thing I will say is I had to get different size bolts. So I went to a place, we have Rural King, and they are, I used these right here, 3mm by 20mm Phillips panhead screws. Put it on, works great. I definitely recommend this because right now it's all exposed, the circuit board's exposed underneath there. So lastly, my initial thoughts are, this build is great. I love this magnetic board on it. And this build has been going for 21 hours and 39 minutes, and she is almost done. I'm gonna be making a new playlist that I will be doing time-lapse videos of certain builds. I ordered a bunch of more upgrades for it, and I'm definitely gonna print some more things. So feel free to comment if you have any questions. Go and like this video, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell to get the future videos. So till the next time lapse, we'll see ya.